Alright, so we went to go put our Speed Engineering oil pan on yesterday up at Bowtie. When we picked up the motor, we were going to button it all up. We bought a Speed Engineering LS Swap oil pan, and it does not clear the oil pickup tube that they provided with it. Alright, so we are running into interference issues with this pickup tube. I ordered this Speed Engineering LS Swap oil pan. I wanted to fabricate one for the build, but I just don't have the time. So I ended up ordering this and shipping it up to Bowtie, and we got up there yesterday to pick up the engine. Another thing that I ended up having to find too was when I flipped this pan over this morning, I realized that where they punched through with the mill, punched through the casting to mill in where the oil filter housing is, there was actually a big flake of aluminum. So like I said, I've got that Prussian blue on the pickup tube, so I'm just going to set the oil pan on there and kind of rub it back and forth, check my alignment. I'm getting closer. We've only got basically one hole over here that's too far off. This is the Prussian blue I was talking about. You can use it for setting up your lash on rear ends or whatever. It works good for stuff like this too, like I said, for checking interference. You're trying to transfer holes or something. Prussian blue is what it's called, non-drying Prussian blue. So I just realized also I went to go put, this is kind of like a little windage tray, like a backsplash to keep your oil from sloshing up and keeping everything down inside the sump. And this is where your oil pickup goes through. But you can see that it's not going to bolt up either. We're lacking on these holes here. So alright, so we finally got the pan. Sorry. Alright, we finally got this thing hogged out enough up here to clear. Now, once we got that all clearanced and all the rest of our bolt holes were lining up, this one single bolt hole was off by quite a bit. I'd say at least a little over a 1/16 of an inch